Yes?
Go.
Okay, West Coast swing. This is what we had done. I think today's week 5. So we are going to start with a starter step, but we're going to groove it out first. So we're going to go step, tap, step, tap. Step together tap, step together tap. We're going to do a basic triple. Shuffle step, shuffle step. We're going to do a left tuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great job. We're now going to do a sugar push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to do a whip with an inside turn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 sugar push. That's your favorite. Now we're going to do a whip with an outside turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 sugar push. 3, 4. You're doing great so far. 1, 2, regular whip. And just a sugar push. Light sugar push. Nice. Thank you so much.